Hey guys, it's Ayano. So today I went to Ueno Park, which is the first public park in Japan. Each year, over 10 million people are visiting there, and it is the most popular city park in Japan, and I love there. So I'm gonna show you guys what its attractions, and I hope you enjoy it. Ueno is located in the northeast part of Tokyo, and to go there, you can take JR lines, Keisei line, subway lines, and some local bus. This is the map of the park, and let's go check it out. One of the most famous attractions here is Ueno Zoo. It is the first public zoo in Japan and built in 1882. These past few years, pandas are very popular at this zoo, and I've seen it many times on TV. There are many temples inside of this park since the lands originally belonged to Kannon Temple, which used to be the wealthiest temple in the city, and it is owned by Tokugawa shogun family during Edo period. Toshogu Shrine is one of the most famous attractions here at the park. It is said to be built in 1624 and renovated in 1651. It was dedicated to Tokugawa Ieyasu, who was a first shogun in Japan and ruled Japan for a long time. Normally in Japan, when we go to shrines or temples, we throw some coins and we pray. Oh, by the way, before you go to pray at Japanese shrines, there is always a purification fountain like this, and customary you're supposed to purify yourself. You wash your hands first and then wash your mouth. For the Peony Garden area, it is only open twice a year, which is in winter and spring. I went there this winter with my mom and it was beautiful. Okay, so let's go to see next temple. This street or pathway is normally packed with people during Hanami season. This park is also known for Hanami spots during the time, and you will see more than 1,000 trees here, and you can see beautiful cherry blossoms. Next thing I want to show you guys today is Ueno Daibutsu. As you can see, this Daibutsu only has a face, and this Daibutsu went through a lot. It was originally built in 1631, and that time he had a body, but in 1647 there was an earthquake and it collapsed, and it was rebuilt later, but again it got damaged because a fire happened, and again it was fixed, but in 1923 there was a big earthquake in Tokyo and the head part fell. They kept the body part, but in 1940 the part was sent to a military since they needed it as a metal resource during the war. And many people come and wish for passing entrance exams for schools at this temple because the face of Daibutsu cannot fall any farther, and in Japanese, fall means fail. Okay, so next one is Hanazono Inari Shrine. This shrine is known for a power spot for matchmaking and fertility. In Japan, there is a term, power spot. Power spot means or it's spiritual places where people believe you can heal yourself or you can get some energy from the place and you can refresh your body, mind, and soul. Normally, the spot is located in like shrine or temples, but sometimes it is in the nature. The next one is Kiyomizu Kannon Temple. This temple is the oldest temple in Tokyo, and it was originally built in 1631, and now it is one of the important cultural properties in Japan. You might notice from the name, but this temple was built to resemble Kiyomizu Temple in Kyoto. For the next one, you have to cross the street. Next one is Shinobazu Bentendo, which is located right next to Shinobazu Pond. Again, this place is known for one of the power spots in Japan, and this place is said to be a power spot for money luck. As you can see from the map, Ueno Park has a big pond, and during summer, specifically from end of July to middle of August, you can see a lot of lotus on the pond. This is a place where you can rent a boat. You can choose from swan boat, cycling boat, and rowing boat. There are many park benches and people are reading books, chatting, eating something, or taking a nap, and it reminds me of Central Park in New York. If you are hungry or crave some cold drinks or hot drinks, there are some places to eat or get some snacks or drinks at this park. This park also has a lot of museums as well. This is Tokyo National Museum, which is the oldest and largest museum in Japan. This is National Museum of Nature and Science, which one of the biggest science museums in Japan. This is Tokyo Metropolitan Art Museum. And this is National Museum of Western Art. There are also some facilities. This is Tokyo Metropolitan Festival Hall. And this is International Library of Children's Literature, which has 400,000 books from 160 different countries. There are some statues in this park. Tokyo is a very busy city, and Ueno Park is like a little oasis for people who live in Tokyo. And I know if you're coming to Tokyo as a traveler, you might want to go to more excitement areas, but if you like nature or want to walk in the park and relax, Ueno Park is a nice place to visit. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. If you have any questions or requests, let me know. Please comment down below. Again, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye guys!